Hello everyone, thank you for visiting my channel. Today's dish is good for lunch or taking to work or school. Jalapeno pepper savory muffins, so easy to make. After watching this video, please consider clicking like and subscribe. It made me so happy. Thank you. Today's ingredients. First, preheat the oven to 180 degrees. Start. Cut the jalapeno in half. Remove the seeds with a spoon. The spoon makes it easier. Chop the jalapeno into small pieces. Be careful. Do not touch your face. Next, cut the chorizo in half and then into small pieces. Grate the potato. Sear the chorizo lightly. Next, make the muffin mix. Pour 70 grams of milk, 45 grams of mayonnaise, 1 egg, and 75 grams of cream cheese into a blender and blend well. Pour the mix into a bowl and add 160 grams of self-rising flour and half teaspoon of baking powder. Then mix well. Add grated potato and mix in. Add the chorizo, jalapeno, and 60 grams of cheese into the bowl. You can use any cheese you like. Mix well. Pour the muffin mix into muffin cups, or you can use a muffin tin. You can make 7 to 8 muffins. Bake the muffin for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, remove from the oven and put the muffin on a rack to cool. See? Easy to make, isn't it? Thank you for watching. See you next time.